Okay, guys, let us get started. Let us get started on how to actually align yourself in a place where you just take high quality trades. How do you align yourself in that place of taking very profitable or good trade? How to actually spot uh, good opportunities in the market? So we know that the market is presenting opportunities in every minute. The market is presenting chances in every second, but then it seems like it's very hard to spot those opportunities. And the question that we all have, it is the why question. Why is it really hard to actually spot those opportunities in the market? Why is it difficult? So those are things that I'm just going to be sharing with you. It's just going to be few things. I won't make this meeting to be long. We're just going to keep it brief and simple. We're just going to keep it brief and simple. So there is one thing that really saved me when it comes to trading. So there is really one thing. It is the fact of understanding that I can never know where the market will go. I hope that one is clear. I will never know if the market is going to go up or the market is going to go down. That one, I will never know the behavior of the price. For an example, now we can see that the price is at 1.28, roughly 1.28. Me as a trader, I shouldn't be in a state of saying price is on support and I know that price is going to go up. I shouldn't be having that mindset. But what I should have as a trader is, okay, I can see price is around a support level. There are high chances that price is going to go up, but there are also possibilities of price going down. So you see that now my mind is between these two things. My mind is between these two things here. Either the price is going to go up or the price is going to go down, in such a way that when I take a decision saying I am pressing the buy button, when I take that decision, I will not be having unrealistic expectation, and that thing is going to help me to manage even my risk properly. Because the worst thing that we do as traders is to say, liking it or not, here price is going to go up, and we put those buys and we press that buy button times 7. We put 7 buys. We take the lot size from 0.2, maybe from 0.5 to a lot size of 2.0. Why? Because we have that assurance. We know price action. We have learned price action. So we have developed that assurance of saying, I know what the market is going to do. So that's a very bad mindset that you should have as a trader or as an investor. It actually squeezes your possibility of being profitable, because failure to manage risk come from that issue, from that error of having expectation or of favoring one side than the other. Trading is all about probabilities. Remember, we know that there are only two outcomes here. It's either the market goes down or the market goes up. So we have two outcomes. There are only two roads. It's either the market goes up or the market goes down. So you knowing price action doesn't allow you to actually rip off of these possibilities. It doesn't allow you to rip off these possibilities. Having price action just allows you to be a bit step ahead. So I just want to open your mind a bit. So do you know that starting a brokerage or opening a broker, it is one of the worst things that you can do. Why? Because brokers, for them to benefit, they rely on others to make mistakes. So that's not a very good business, because if the people will not make mistake, it means that you will lose. You will not be profitable. You will not even regain easily that capital, although you will make money through spreads and whatsoever, but the real profit comes from other guys on the other side making mistakes. So then the brokers, they benefit from your mistakes. So now companies being bold, saying I'm taking a step to open a brokerage account which will rely from other guys making mistakes for me to make money. So do you see that we have really a lot of people losing money in trading? We have really a lot of people losing money. For an example, in the broker that we use, Derive, it's like they are saying 70% of the accounts they are losing now and then. Why are they losing? Because these guys, they are always on YouTube looking for strategies. Why are they losing? Because these guys, they have all the robots that are there in the trading industry. Why are they losing? Because they have all the indicators, the advanced indicators. Why are we losing why are we losing while we are in possession of these things which we claim to be of a high value? So this simply means that this is really not significant at all. This is not significant at all. This doesn't matter at all. Whether you have a high quality trading strategy or the best robot or EA or the best indicators, this won't guarantee you having dollars. This won't guarantee you having dollars. No, it won't guarantee that. You can have all of this stuff, and at the end of the day, you are losing your entire balance. You are busy funding, but you can't withdraw. Why? Because it's never like this. We should put in mind this thing of 50% chances of the market going up and 50% of the market going down. This is only here to just rip off this ratio, to just give you a bit of some chances, not even much. Some, they say it's 67% chances of being profitable when we are using price action. So you see that there is no difference. The difference is very, very small. So what will establish the difference? It is you being able to manage your risk properly. Ne? So I'm just trying to give you things that are going to aid you, not actually maybe things. Some were expecting some kind of strategies. No, I have given a lot of strategies and I'm still going to give those strategies out. But why are those strategies not helping you? It is because you come to the market knowing you do not allow the market to play out. You come to the market knowing. You come to the market trusting your lines, trusting your zones, trusting your levels. That's the issue. You come in the market trusting those lines. So then you are unable to manage risk. You are unable to manage risk. That's why they say you should see yourself as a risk manager, not as a trader. Although you are a trader, but you should see yourself as a risk manager, not as a trader. That's the only thing that is going to save you. See yourself as a risk manager, not a trader. You see, there is something that is really, really funny, and I was researching. I almost shared the screenshot in the group that the greatest hedge funds, the greatest institution in trading or in investing, they make about 10% annually. Yearly, they make about 10% yearly. But then there comes John, there comes Samuel, there comes Soren. So he want to make 100% a day. You want to make 100% a day. So do you see that there is a lot of difference between us retail traders and those guys who are really investing? Do you know institutions or hedge funds which are making this amount a year, they are regarded as very, very successful, and there are a lot of people who are willing to invest to them. This is success. But you, when someone says, I am making 5% a month, you will say, no, you can't mentor me, you can't teach me anything because you are not making money. Why? Because the people that we found in the market, they showed us something which is not real, which is only acquired by luck, which is this. It is only acquired by luck. That's why when people ask me, how much will I make a month if you give me signals or if you mentor me, I tell them that I don't know, because it is not fixed. It is not fixed. Because the moment I say, no, I'm going to help you to make 100% a month, that's when now I begin to forget about the 50-50 issue, or the way the market behave, how neutral the market behave. That's when I forget. Because what I should know is that the market is very, very neutral. What will save me, it is me coming with only a risk reward, which is on the positive side. That's why I say we should go with 1:3. This is the only thing that is going to save us. And the problem that we have as traders, it is us having those targets, saying, I want to make that $100 a day. Once you have those targets, it's game over. It's game over. I'm telling you. Once you say I'm going to make $100 a day, I want to double my account in a month, it's game over. Why? Because you will be over trading your account. You'll be putting trades that we are not supposed to be putting. Why? Because you have a target of saying, me, I want to acquire 10% a day, or 100% a month, or 100% in a week. I want to double my account, and so on and so on. So then you put yourself under pressure. You'll find yourself opening trades in every single currency here. You'll be buying this, you'll be selling that. You'll find yourself even trading against yourself, because you don't even analyze, you don't look at correlation. So it's something just which is very, very funny. It's small things that are making us to lose money. Very, very small things. It is very, very small things. The moment you realize that in trading, even if you make 10% a month, that's good. It's still positive. You are growing, you are developing. Then as time goes on, you'll be able to make 30% a month. As time goes on, you'll be able to make 50% a month. So that's how we should play this game. But then we have a lot of people coming in the game saying, I've seen someone buying a Ferrari in a month, so I also want to double my account in a day. I want to make $1,000 in 1 minute. And it's a problem. It's a problem. It is because we entered Forex because we saw some people flexing with cars, people flexing with money. When you come in this industry, it becomes a real game. It becomes a reality. It becomes a reality. And we have a lot of people thinking of giving up every day because it seems like the things are not working. The price action is not working. It seems like the strategies are not working. It is because it is not an issue of those things. It is not an issue of those things. That's why I used to make this example of a casino. It's about you behaving like an owner of a casino. It's an issue of you behaving like you own a casino. It's only an issue of probabilities. It's just probability that's going to save you here. Saying, okay, me, when the broker takes money, or when the market takes money, let it take 1%. But me, when I take, let me take 3%. Let me take 3%. Let me take 3%. And guys, don't put yourself under pressure if you are new in trading. Don't put yourself under pressure if you are new in trading. Trying to just from the beginning, you want to earn a living through trading. You are quitting your job. You are quitting everything. You are leaving your family's house and everything. You want to earn a living through this. It is going to just be a struggle. It is going to be a struggle. It is going to be a struggle. That's why we have a lot of scammers. It is because of putting themselves under pressure, only to find that there is a lot to learn here. There is a lot to learn. Here, it is an issue of mindset. It is an issue of mindset. And mastering your mindset or your psychology, it is a process. It is a process. I'm telling you, it is a process which requires practice. So don't be quick to make higher returns. That's what I'm trying to say. Don't be quick in trying to make unreasonable incomes from your account. Just allow your account to grow slowly. Just allow your account. It is only those small things that at the end of the year, they are going to sum up to a higher amount. At the end of the month, they are going to sum up to a higher amount. Don't be worried of making $2 a day. It's something that we have made. It's something positive. Don't be worried. If you say, let's say, if you make that $2 a day and tomorrow you make $3 and other day you also make $2. It's something. Don't be worried, or don't be ashamed to say, me, I'm making a small amount of money. People are making like $100 a day. Those people who are making $100 a day, let me tell you the secret. They make $100 a day, but tomorrow they will be losing $400, and the day after they will be blowing their accounts. They'll be blowing their accounts. Here, you just need to understand that trading is just a process. Trading is just real. You need to focus in it, and you need to be true when it comes to your expectations. That's why I again will recommend the book, which is called Trading in the Zone. It is there to just train you. It is there to just develop you. I've been sharing it in the group, Trading in the Zone. You should listen to it. There is an audio book as well. It is there to just train you, to just develop you to be a profitable trader by having realistic expectation, by mastering the mind or your psychology. That's why I say you can take someone who doesn't know how to trade, someone who's in grade 5, someone who's in grade 4, and you will give him and say, here, it's either you buy or you sell. Once that person is able to manage his risk properly, once that person is able to define his risk reward, saying, I'm going to risk 1% and I'm going to get 3%, even if he doesn't have any strategy, he just enters randomly saying, okay, I think the market is going to go down here. I put a sell with a good risk reward, defined stop loss and everything. He can be successful more than all of you guys who are having strategies. Why? Because you think it's a game of strategy. It's not a game of strategy. The market have shifted a lot from the time when those strategies were being given out. Even that's why I said, even now we are not sure that is price action really working, because you seem to be applying it, but then the market behave in a funny way. It is because we've been thinking that it's an issue of strategy. So, okay, let me give you some technical things that you need to follow. Let me give you some technical things that you need to follow, and stop rebuking you. Okay. I don't know if I once said this, but there is something that will save you guys. The issue of following up your trades or developing that kind of a relationship, or keeping your trades in your mind. Ne? That one is going to save you. For an example, I once told you that if I let me make an example with a different chart. Let me save here. So just keep the relationship with the market. That's why you should limit, or you should decrease the number of pairs that you trade. You should decrease the number of pairs that you trade. For an example, let's say you bought maybe in the support here when this pattern was broke, when this downward flow was broken. Let's say you bought here, and all of a sudden you took your profit somewhere around there because there was some kind of a transition. And then you leave the market like that. That's not how it should be working. That's not how it should be working. Remember, the purpose here, it is to take advantage of that market as long as it is going on our favor. But when it is not in our favor, it doesn't mean we should throw that market away. And remember, buying, when you buy here and when you close here, it is not closing. That one I told you in the past. It is not closing, but it means selling. It means selling. When you are buying and you are closing your trade, it is not a closing. It is selling. It is selling, because this is, guys, this is the market. You should be trading it like a real asset. You should be trading it like a real asset. You should be trading it like a real asset. When you buy something, when you take your profit, it is when you sell it. When you buy clothes or gadgets at maybe, let's say you buy that shirt at $10, and when you sell it at $50, when you take your money, your profit, which is $40, it is not just closing, but it is selling. It is part of trading. So that's what you should be keeping in your mind. This is going to save you. That I was buying here, so now I want to close. When you want to close, ask yourself that, okay, if I was in a position of putting a sell, was I going to put it or not? If the answer is no, it means that you are closing early. it means that you are closing early. Let's say I bought here, but now I want to close here. Ask yourself, as I am closing here, if I wanted to sell, was I going to sell here? If it's yes, then you are good to close your trade. If it's no, that trade is closed early. It means that you're not supposed to close that trade. Why? Because there are no sellers which are visible. There are no clear selling opportunities here. There are no clear selling opportunities. The reason we don't do this, it is because what we do as traders, we buy here, we get $10, we close because we see $10. Wow, I never ever received a profit of $10. I usually get plus $1 plus $2, so it's now positive $10. I'm closing the trade. Wow, this was a very, very beautiful day. No, you should allow the market to give you more. There is a lot here. It's a matter of you choosing how much you want. It's a matter of you choosing how much you want. That's why we are in the position of that is very, very advantageous. We choose what we want. The market is flowing the way it's flow, but the advantage is that you are able to choose what you want. I am able to choose what I want. So that's the beautiful thing. Wow, I'm really sorry for those who are in the waiting room. Oh, someone just sent me a message. Yo, and it was a lot. So yeah, I apologize. Yo, they will watch it. I will post it right now. Yo, sorry guys for keeping you waiting. I was just teaching here. It's a bad thing. So thank you Samuel. Thank you Samuel for sending me the message on Telegram. Thank you for reminding me. So yeah, I'm going to post it, guys. Don't worry if you've missed anything. I'm just going to post it immediately after this. I'm just going to post it on YouTube, and I'll also share the link on the public group. Yeah, I really apologize, guys. I hope you forgive me for keeping you waiting this long. I hope you forgive me. Yeah. So okay, this is something that is really going to help you understanding that it's the market. When you are in the market and when you go out in the market, it's still a trade. It's still a trade. You are not just on the side, but you have told the market that now it's a sell. You have told the market that now it's a sell. That's why we have these things of what do you call it? This market maker issue, saying that the market is taking your stop losses and everything. That's why we have that issue. Because it is orders. When you put a buy and you put your stop loss here, you are telling the market that this is an order. This is an order. When you put your take profit there, you tell the market that this is an order. The market doesn't see you exiting here. It sees you taking the opposite side. It sees sellers waiting there. It's an order. It's an order in the market. I hope that one is making sense. So you should be having that relationship, saying, okay, I'm exiting this buy. Where was I going to sell really? Yeah, English is difficult. Was I going to sell really if I was in the position of selling? If you were selling and you are closing your trade here, you should close your trade because there are buying opportunities, because it's now a buy. That is investing. But what I've seen, even to the guys that I'm mentoring, what I've seen is that people cannot hold positions. They cannot hold position. They buy, they see profits, they close. They buy, they see profits, they close. You find yourself remaining alone in a trade. For an example, if I give a signal today, tomorrow I'll be the only one in that signal. Why? Because people saw some few dollars today and they exited that trade. They took those small profits. But they don't know that here it's an issue of saying, if I get a chance, I really make it count. If I get a chance, I really make it count. Because guys, there will be a time where the market is against you. There will be a time where the market is against you. That's why even if you can look at a history of professional traders, you will see something like, let me just make an example, a loss of $5, a loss of $3, a profit of $35, a loss of $6, a loss of $5, a profit of $50. So this is how trades of professional traders look like. This is how trades of professional traders look like. Even your trades, but the difference with your trade is that there is minus 50 and there is plus 2, there is minus 35 and there is plus $4. So that's the difference. You are taking big losses, they are taking big profits. So that's why you are on the darker side of it. I hope this is making sense, guys. I'm just sharing you things that are going to save you and things that saved me. It's simple things that are going to save you and that saved me. So make sure that you are just realistic in the market and enjoy the process. Enjoy the process. Be slow in rushing riches. Be slow in that mindset. Just enjoy the process. Enjoy the process. Yes, they are showing you those returns on YouTube. Yes, they are showing you those cars on Instagram, but enjoy the process, guys. It's a process. And once you master it, it's joy, because you cannot lose. It's a mindset. You cannot lose it. Once you master it, you have mastered it forever. You will remain profitable forever. And not only in currencies, in every market. Once you just master the simple things that I told you, it's not a game of strategy. It's not a game of saying who is better in analyzing. No, it's never like that. It's never. You even can't believe that the knowledge that you have already is just enough for you to be profitable. It's then an issue of you changing the mindset. It's then an issue of you accepting the risk. Accept the risk. Let me even just write it down. Accept the risk. Just accept. Accept the risk. My accept is looking very, very weird. So accept the risk, guys. Accept it. It's just an issue of that. Accept that I am entering the market. It's either I will lose or I will be profitable. It's either I lose or I will be profitable. Just know that thing and be happy with it. Be satisfied with it. Be content with it. Saying, I am buying this asset. I am buying gold. I am buying V75. But I know that it's either I will lose or I will win. That this is going to just save you from blowing your accounts quickly. This is going to save you. Because that's your problem. You want to make millions in a day. And when the market gives you the chance to make millions in a day, you close $20. So you see that it is just, it's something fun. You want to make millions a day, the market gives you a chance one day, you just close small profits. So it doesn't make sense. Just allow a trade, when a trade is in your favor, allow it to just give you those profits. Allow it to just give you that money. Just rip off that trade until the direction changes. I like the name of milking the market. Just milk it until there is nothing left. Just milk it until there is nothing left. Someone is asking to be forwarded the session video. Don't worry, I will post it on YouTube after this. So guys, this is just something that I wanted to give unto you. So just continue to write those suggestions in the comment of videos that I should make. I see people they are suggesting videos that I've already made. Multiple time frame analysis. I just posted it like 2 weeks ago. So be checking those videos in the channel. There are a lot of videos. The pure price action is fine. I also made a video about that. So there are a lot of people willing to know about multiple time frame analysis. And also about multiple time frame analysis, there is this book that I posted on my YouTube, the audiobook of Trading for a Living. There is where they explain even multiple time frame analysis. So you can read it in towards the end. Yeah, there is multiple time frame analysis, the way you understand the waves, the tides and the ripples and so on. So guys, I hope it makes sense. So yeah, thank you for joining. We are left only with 4 minutes. So I will post this, guys. Those who have missed anything, don't worry, I will post this video on YouTube just now, maybe 15 minutes from now. I need to chop some parts at the end when the meeting didn't start. So 15 minutes from now it will be on YouTube. Just watch this video. This is the only thing that is going to save you from losses. This is the only thing, and stop looking for strategies every minute. So thank you guys for joining. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. Keep everything simple. Keep everything simple. Someone is saying trading Nasdaq with RSI. Okay, I will make videos on Nasdaq. It's been a long. Keep everything simple, guys. Don't complicate even the strategies that you are using. Keep them simple. Keep them simple. Keep them simple. You don't need something complicated. You don't need something complicated. Just be realistic in the market, like in any other business. If you were selling fed cakes, you are not going to expect millions in a day. So let it be like that even here. Let it be like that even here. Just love the process. As I told you, big hedge funds, they are making like 7% a year, 7%, 10% a year. And they are crowned as successful investing companies, making 10% a year. Imagine you want to make 70% in a day. It's fun. It's funny, right? It's fun. So yeah, let me end it here. It's Wednesday. I'm going to tell you when we are going to meet again, guys, in the public group. I'm going to tell you. So thank you for joining.